Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. It's been a week since I strapped this behemoth to my wrist, and it's time to share my honest thoughts. Is this rugged smartwatch a titan of tech, or just another bulky gadget? Let's find out. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is a bold statement. It's big, it's tough, and it's packed with features. Samsung has thrown everything but the kitchen sink into this smartwatch, aiming to create the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness fanatics. But does this feature-packed approach pay off? Design and build. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the size. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is undeniably large. Its 47mm case dominates your wrist, making it a love it or hate it proposition. While I appreciate the rugged build and water resistance, I can't ignore the fact that it's a bit of a choker. The marine silicone band is tough, but feels a bit excessive for everyday wear. I'm not a fan of the lack of a physical bezel. Samsung's attempt at a digital bezel with touch controls is okay, but it doesn't quite match the tactile satisfaction of a physical one. However, the large display is a boon for readability, even in bright sunlight. Performance and battery life. Under the hood, the Galaxy Watch Ultra packs a punch. Performance is smooth, and the watch handles everything I've thrown at it without breaking a sweat. But let's talk about the real star of the show, the battery life. Samsung claims up to 46 hours of battery life, and I've found that to be pretty accurate. Even with heavy use, including workouts, sleep tracking, and constant notifications, I've consistently gotten through a full day and into the next without needing to recharge. Health and fitness tracking. This is where the Galaxy Watch Ultra shines. Samsung has packed this watch with sensors and features to track every aspect of your health and fitness. From heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen levels to sleep tracking and stress management, it's all here. The watch also offers advanced workout tracking with detailed metrics and coaching. While the features are impressive, I'm still not convinced about the accuracy of some of the health metrics. For example, the sleep tracking seems a bit hit or miss. But for general fitness tracking, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is a solid performer. Software and features. Wear OS 3 powers the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and while it's an improvement over previous versions, it still feels a bit clunky compared to other smartwatch platforms. The interface can be slow at times, and there's still room for improvement in terms of app optimization. Samsung's One UI watch layer adds some useful features, but it also adds a layer of complexity. The watch face customization options are extensive, but the interface can be overwhelming. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is a capable smartwatch with impressive battery life and a robust feature set. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or fitness fanatic who doesn't mind the size, it's worth considering. However, if you're looking for a more stylish and refined smartwatch, there are other options available. Ultimately, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is a jack of all trades, master of none. It does a lot of things well, but it doesn't excel in any one area. For the price, I expect a bit more innovation and refinement. So, is the Galaxy Watch Ultra still impressive after a week? It's a solid smartwatch with a lot to offer, but it's not without its flaws. If you're looking for a rugged, feature-packed wearable, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is worth considering. But if you prioritize style, performance, and innovation, you might want to look elsewhere. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Watch Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.